All right, so we're going to look at number 18 in section 5. Now 18, the numerator is factored for us, but the denominator isn't. So step 1, factor completely, right? Factor completely the numerator, which is done, and the denominator. So pull the 4 out of the denominator, and so it's factored. I'm not going to walk through every step of factoring as much as we go through here. Factoring is something we're learning, I know that, but you can review factoring as we go through. If you don't see where I get a particular factor from, ask. Some tricky factors I might try to explain, but in general, if I see this and I say I'm going to factor, I will write the factors out here. If there's multiple steps in the factoring, I might highlight each step to go through. But we're going to tend to say, hey, we know factoring now. I know we're still learning it, and I know we're still repeating it, but it is a concept we have discussed and what it means. We're now going to use it. And as we repeat it, it'll become more second nature. So now I have to state my restrictions. Well, the only real restriction I have is t plus 2 can't equal 0, right? Take each of my factors, and they can't equal 0. Well, right off the bat, 4 doesn't equal 0, so that's good. Don't have to worry, no restriction comes out of that. But t plus 2 can't equal 0, so t can't equal negative 2. So we have a restriction that this expression can't have a negative 2 go into it. All right, so we've now done our second step. Our third step is find things that group to 1, which in this case, these guys. And we can say we cancel. There's a school of thought that says canceling isn't the right word. I've seen a couple math education books say it. So you'll find I try to avoid saying cancel. I'm not sure if I agree with that school of thought yet or not, but I like the wording. But I do like thinking that t plus 2 over t plus 2 is 1. Because it is 1. It is some quantity over itself. And anytime we see some quantity over itself, it's 1. And I like that way of pulling out ones. And so we get 2t minus 1 divided by 4. And this is our simplified fraction.